Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make and style my curly units, and I am using Brazilian curly hair from Annabelle hair, starting with the 4x4 closure. It's a very simple closure. I know we've been overwhelmed with frontals, 360s, and all sorts of closures, but I'm going back to the basics with this one because curly hair is easy to slay regardless of what type of closure you have. You don't even need a closure sometimes. So all I'm doing right now is putting my closure on my wig cap and pinning it down so that it's nice and secure, and it'll be easier for me to sew my hair onto the wig cap. The wig cap that I'm using is a Japanese swim cap inspired wig cap. I will have all the information about the hair itself, which is very affordable, the wig cap, and everything that I'm using in this video down below, though most of the supplies can be found at your local beauty supply store. So all I'm doing is doing my regular stitching all the way around, stitch through, put your fingers under and pull through the middle of the thread so that I can have a more secure stitch as I go. And this is what everything looks like when you get your hair. Annabelle natural, 14 inches. Literally everything I'm using is 14 inches long. Everything, the closure, the wefts. And what I like to do is double up. Whenever I double up with my curly hair, I'm able to have a lot of volume, especially in the back. If I were to wear straight hair, I would not double up at all. And the reason being is that I would want something that's more natural in density, whereas with curly hair you have the option of having very thick hair and it looks okay. This right here is the second bundle of hair. I have 3 bundles in total, and I'm just doubling up the second bundle as well, the same way I did with the first one. And I'm going around pinning my hair down with pearlized pins to make it easier on myself. And this is the third bundle that is going into the horseshoe. And what I'm doing right now is I'm not doubling up because I have my last bundle. I'm making sure I only use one weft, not 2 wefts together. And this makes it so that my hair at the top is a little bit more filtered and more natural looking, and it's easier for me to get those wefts in there in all the cracks and crevices that I need them to pass through. Where the closure is, I need only 1 weft so that it can fit nicely. Here is my finished wig, and all I'm doing now is just cutting out the wig cap underneath the closure. This will make my wig stretch out on my head better. If I don't cut this, it's gonna be really tight. And I'm also using mousse. We all know how much we love mousse, or I love mousse. And the powder for a nice brown scalp. After applying powder, I will of course put my wig on and then use some leave-in conditioner, water, anything you want to use whatever lightweight product you want, apply it throughout your hair, and then comb. That's all I do. Just comb my hair with a rake comb. It's so easy to comb after I put some product in it. Lightweight product always, because too much product breaks me out. And here, right here in the part, I'm just coloring in with some pressed powder, and that is all as far as me making my wigs. Now, what I'm going to do in addition to all of this is just go ahead and trim my hair. I want to make sure that it all can stick out so it can look more afro-like. Shortened it equally almost everywhere. This makes me have a nice circular look. Just think in terms of cutting a circle around your head. That's all. And that's what gets this nice, beautiful, voluminous look on my hair, and doesn't have that really weird thing going on where the ends of your curly hair are long and then everywhere else it looks short. Nah, because I don't like that. And that is all. I like to twist my hair to the side. Sometimes I'll wear a bang, but that's pretty much it as far as how I make and style my curly wigs. I will wash my hair so that I can see what the texture looks like after washing, and I'll show you guys on Instagram. So follow me and Annabelle on Instagram, and don't forget to check out the description box. Give me a big thumbs up, comment, subscribe, share, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye!